Congratulations on choosing the Oscar M5 chair for customisation. The M5 650 has 650 millimetres of seat width for clients up to 250 kilograms, while the M5 850 has 850 millimetres of seat width for clients up to 320 kilograms. Both of these chairs have a plus 70 option, where an extra 70 millimetres has been added to the seat height, seat depth and footrest length. The size range can be further customised, so virtually any client can be accommodated by the M5. Size specification sheets for each of the 4 chair sizes are available from the resources section of the oscarfurniture.com.au website. We recommend that you always use a chair that is close to the client's size for made-to-measure adjustments. M5 has been designed to assist clients into the chair. This is done by slightly raising the chair and tilting the backrest away. The client is supported while lowering themselves into the chair. The chair can then be lowered to the rest position. Always start the process with the chair upright and not reclined, and with the footrest retracted. The correct base size will have the client seated with their bottom right back in the seat of the chair, and feet will be firmly planted on the floor. Hips will be at least level with the knees, or hips slightly higher than the knees. You may need to experiment with a chair size higher or lower if this cannot be achieved with your first size choice. It is not recommended that you order a made-to-measure chair without reference to a physical base size chair in the model that you have selected. You will need a copy of the order form for your selected M5 650 or M5 850 chair size. This form shows the basic measurements of the standard chairs and explains the range and increments of the customisations that are available. You will also need a tape measure and a pen to write down the changes as you go. Okay, let's start. The first step is to check the seat height. Make sure that the client's bottom is set back in the seat as far as possible. The knees should be bent at 90 degrees with feet comfortably flat on the floor. If the client's feet are off the ground, use books or blocks under the feet to determine the correct amount of seat adjustment. If the range allowed on the order form does not allow enough adjustment, a different base size of chair should be used. Check the area of the thigh behind the knees. There should not be any uncomfortable downward pressure behind the knees onto the seat cushion. If necessary, adjust the seat height by choosing the plus 25 mm increment on the order form. Next step is to check the seat depth. Check that there is a gap behind the client's knees. A hand should pass between the front of the seat and the back of the client's leg. If necessary, adjust the seat depth by choosing the plus or minus 25 mm increment on the order form. Things to avoid are that the client's legs are angled too far forward, or the feet are not flat on the floor. Assuming the adjustments have been made, the client's legs will be in the ideal position. Next, we check the fit of the neck and back support. The head roll should sit comfortably in the nape of the neck. If the roll is too high, the client's head will appear to tilt forward. If it is too low, the client's head will appear to tilt back. Use the order form to adjust the height of the back in 25 mm increments. Ensuring that the head pad is in the correct position will automatically ensure that the shoulder blades or scapula are positioned neatly between the head and middle rolls. The M5 has a unique feature where the position of the scapula can be adjusted without factory customization. This can be achieved by reversing the head and centre rolls. Simply remove the head roll at the Velcro attachment and then remove the centre roll at the Velcro attachment. Reattach the head roll in the centre roll position and replace the centre roll in the head roll position. The position of the scapula always should sit comfortably between these two rolls. If the client appears to be leaning back excessively, consider having the backrest shaped with a gluteal recess. This allows clients to maintain lower back support by making room in the lower back cushion for a large bottom. The arm height can now be checked with the chair in the upright position. Have the client place their arms on the armrests. Elbow to wrist should be evenly supported. And the client's shoulders should not be hunched up, as this will indicate the armrest is too high. Use the order form to adjust the armrest height in increments of 25 millimeters. The extended footrest can now be checked. Extend the footrest fully, ensuring that the client is seated well back on the seat. The leg rest should support the lower legs to the top of the ball of the heel. The ball of the heel should be just clear of the footrest, not sitting on it. Use the order form to adjust the footrest length in increments of 25 millimeters. The seat width can also be checked. The seat width should be comfortable when sliding a closed fist down both sides of the client. If the closed fist is more than snug between the side of the chair and the client, make sure to ask them for their opinion. If more width is required, choose the M5 850 as your base chair. Having completed the fitting of the chair, we should consider other options to further personalise the chair to the client. Some clients may feel that the head is not correctly supported when the chair is at full recline. An additional headrest can assist in making the client comfortable. The headrest cover makes for easy cleaning and longer wear, and are supplied with Velcro attachments. Memory foam in the seat or lower lumbar can provide additional comfort, while memory foam in the footrest can assist clients with fluid buildup or edema. ROHO cushion insert for the seat adds extra padding. A pocket can be added to the left side for left-handed people, and the controller can also be moved to the left side. A heated massage unit can enhance comfort. Congratulations! You have now completed the process for customising the M5 650 and the M5 850 chairs. If you require measurements that are outside the ranges allowed by the order form or require other assistance, be sure to contact Oscar Healthcare staff who will be able to assist you further.